Welcome to our tutorial on the innovative Wi-Fi function of your Tesla AC. This feature seamlessly integrates with your smartphone, allowing you to control your air conditioning system from anywhere. First up, ensure your Tesla AC is connected to your home Wi-Fi network. Next, grab your smartphone and launch the Tesla Smart app. If it's not yet installed, you can download it from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. In the app, tap Add Device to start pairing your Tesla AC. You'll need to input your Wi-Fi credentials, so have your network name and password ready. Ensure both your smartphone and Tesla AC are on the same network. Once you've entered your Wi-Fi credentials, the app will start searching for your Tesla AC. And voila, your Tesla AC is now connected to your Wi-Fi network. Once connected, your Tesla AC is ready to obey your commands, whether you're home or away. Adjust temperatures, change modes, or set schedules all at your fingertips. Enjoy the convenience and stay cool with Tesla AC.